Hi guys, welcome back to another Irish lesson. Today we are going to look at the word wish and all of the different phrases that we can use with wish and all of the different ways to say it in Irish. So let's get started. Our first sentence for today is an order. Do as you wish. Very nice order. Do as you wish. And we can say Déan, mar is mian leat. Déan is do, mar is like as, mian, we saw this before, like it means wish or desire. Leat, well, you. Do as you wish or as you desire. Déan mar is mian leat. Déan mar is mian leat. Or we can say Déan mar is tull leat, which is the same except we're exchanging the word mian for tull. Tull, you have seen it before. It means will, like the noun will. I like to have the will to do something or the want to do something, and we have it in the very common phrase le de hull. Le de hull is please. Le de hull is like with your will. In other words, please. Le de hull. Or also in moshe de hulle. If you wish. Mas mian leat. Mas mian leat. Or mas ma leat. Remember, ma is good, generally. Mas ma leat, mas mian leat, if you wish. I wish I was rich. Is marg nach will me sever. Is marg. Marg is like a pity. So is marg means it's a pity. Another way to say that is trua. Is trua. Is trua is marg nach will me sever. It's a pity I'm not rich. Different way to say I wish I was rich, but with the same idea. Or you could say Bawahlam ve sever. Bawahlam, I would like ve to be sever rich. Bawahlam ve sever. Farir nok will me sever, which is more or less the same as ismarach nok will me sever. Farir is like unfortunately or alas. It's a kind of a negative word, but it's very good to know. Farir nok will me sever. It's a pity I'm not rich, or I wish I was rich. I wish that you'd understand. Something that you could say to someone if you're having an argument where nobody seems to understand the point of the other person. Bevralum da diga. Bevralum da diga. Or, which it means, well, I would like you to understand. Or, is trua, it's a pity, knock diggin to. Is trua knock diggin to. You can also say is marg as well. Is marg knock diggin to. Is trua or marg knock diggin to. It's a pity you don't understand. I wish I hadn't done that. Is trualum ganyarna me a shin. Is trualum. Is trualum means I'm sorry or I regret. It's a pity that. Gonyarname, that I did, a shin that. I wish I hadn't done that. In other words, itrualum gonyarname a shin. Or ta africus. Africus is regret. Ta africus I regret. Gonyarname a shin that I did that. Ta africus gonyarname a shin. Is trualum gonyarname a shin, ta africus gonyarname a shin. I wish you'd stop complaining. Bayaslum da stadha den garon. Bayaslum da stadha den garon. Garon is to, well, bayaslum, it would be nice for me. I wish da stadha, if you stopped den garon complaining. Or you can say farir nok stoppen to a garon. Farir nok stoppen to a garon. Farir, alas, it's a pity, unfortunately. It's unfortunate that you don't stop complaining. Nok stoppen to a garon. I wish to remain anonymous. Ni mian lum. Ni mian lum. I don't wish to. Manam a chuirt. Manam my name. Anam is name, manam my name, a hurt to give. Ní mian manam a hurt. I don't wish to give my name, or in other words, I wish to remain anonymous. Or another way to say it is barlum gan manam a hurt. Barlum I would prefer gan manam without my name. Gan is without. Gan manam a hurt. Without giving my name, without my name to give. Ní mian manam a hurt. Barlum gan manam a hurt. What about wishes in the past? Impossible wishes. I wished I had been around 30 years ago. Is marg nach raibh mé hart trocha bliain ó shin. Is marg, it's a pity, nach raibh mé hart, that I was not around trocha bliain ó shin 30 years ago. Trocha bliain 30 years ó shin ago. Or is marg nach raibh mé an sail trocha bliain ó shin. Sail is life, so an sail is like alive, living on in life. Is marg nach raibh mé an sail trocha bliain ó shin. They wished us the best of luck. Hui siad ach mór urin. Hui siad ach mór urin. Ah is luck, like in the phrase Gunnairi an tá leat, which means good luck. More is a lot of luck, very good luck, the best of luck. Hui siad ach mór urin. Or cuir siad a manacht lin. Cuir siad a manacht lin. To wish somebody a happy birthday. Brethla sunna. Brethla is birthday. Sunna happy. Brethla sunna agui ginna. Brethla sunna agui to wish ginna to someone. To wish somebody a happy birthday. Brethla sunna agui ginna. What if you have to give some negative news? I don't wish to burst your bubble, but ní mian lum, I don't want to or I don't wish to, an ghui a want os de chiolta. So ní mian lum, I don't want to an ghui, the wind. I want os de chiolta. The chiolta are your sails. So in other words, I don't wish to take the wind from your sails. Very similar to the idea of bursting a bubble. But ní mian lum an ghui a want os de chiolta. Ní mian lum an ghui a want os de chiolta. I wish I could go. Bavra lum ve ábalta dul. Bavra lum. I would like ve to be ábalta, able, dul, to go. Bavra lum ve ábalta dul. They let him come and go as he wishes. Lucky him. Ligan siad do, teacht agus imacht, mar is mian leis. Ligan siad, they allow, do, him, teacht, come, agus imacht, to go, teacht, imacht, mar is mian leis, as he pleases, as it is his wish. Ligan siad do, teacht, agus imacht, mar is mian leis. I wish you continued success. Gonairi lat fasta. Gonairi lat fasta. And fasta means from now on. So it's like saying, I wish you, like continued success. Success from now on, into the future. Gonairi lat fasta. I wish I was in Kerry. Bavralum ve igiri. Bavralum ve igiri. I wish I was in Kerry. Or, to sound a bit sadder, is trua gone may igiri. Is trua, it's a pity, gone may, without me in Kerry. Or in other words, it's a pity I am not in Kerry. Is trua gone may igiri. I wish you were here. Ferir nach will tu anseo. Ferir Again, it's unfortunate, it's a pity, alas. Nach will tú anseo, that you are not here. Anseo is here. I wish to be alone. Is mian lum ve lum fein. Is mian lum, I want, I wish, ve, to be, lum fein, with myself alone, or in other words, alone. Is mian lum ve lum fein. Or tiastien ve it meiner. Tiastien I want. Ve, to be, it meiner, alone. It meiner is just alone. Tiastien ve it meiner. That's all for today. We will, of course, continue with more phrases very soon and hopefully get back to a bit of grammar very, very soon as well. Until then, Gunairi an Táiliacht.